Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Hearing on Goa mining matter to commence in Supreme Court from Thursday. Stakeholders to press for phase-wise capping on mining. Doors of Congress permanently shut for Churchill. State observer Chela Kumar makes it clear, says Walanka and Sardinha to support Congress. "17 candidates filed papers to contest Lok Sabha poll. Independents and rebels to decide fate of National Party candidates." High Court takes suo motu cognizance of administrative tribunal judgments. Former President declare operative parts without judgments. And Laksharaj Shetye inspires Prudent to victory over Goa Doot in intermedia cricket. Herald and Purari win. Now news in detail. Hearing on Goa mining matter will commence in Supreme Court from Thursday. Sources inform that considering liabilities of mining dependents, stakeholders will represent before the court for phase-wise capping on mining. Capping committee has suggested mining of 20 million tons of ore per year. Stakeholders are hopeful that the apex court will allow mining operations in the state.
Supreme Court appointed capping committee submitted its report before Supreme Court. Considering the ore resources in the state, capping committee has suggested mining of 20 million tons of ore per year. While delivering order on Goa mining matter, Supreme Court will consider capping committee report. Stakeholders from the state will represent the court to consider liabilities of mining dependents. If court upholds the suggestions of capping committee, then it would be very difficult for dependents to clear their liabilities. Stakeholders will pray before Supreme Court to allow phase-wise capping on mining, which will help mining dependents to get some relief from liabilities. Some of the stakeholders hope that Supreme Court is likely to pass an order on Karnataka line, dividing mine lease in 3 categories. Category A, where no or minimal illegal mining incidents were observed. Category B, mines where illegal mining was observed to be up to 10% beyond the mining lease areas, and dumps outside the sanctioned lease areas were found to be up to 15% of the lease areas. Category C, leases which rampantly carried out illegal mining. These leases are cancelled by the Supreme Court. Justice Surinder Singh Nijar will join Green Bench on Thursday. Sources inform that Supreme Court will allow operation of mining in the state, but quantum is yet to know. Reporter Mahesh Khadi for Prudent.
Doors of Congress is permanently shut for Churchill Alemao. Goa Congress observer Chela Kumar made it clear to the media on Wednesday. But he claims Churchill's daughter Walanka and his good friend MP Sardinha will continue supporting Congress. Dr. Wilfred D'Souza has now forwarded his support to the Congress.
I am very confident he will not support his son. That itself shows that he is always with the Congress.
Walanka will not support his father.
Yeah, Walanka also has told. Very categorically she also has told she will not support her father. She will work for the Congress party.
Henceforth there will be no entry for people who have left the party. For example, Churchill. Can you endorse that?
Yeah. Recommend.
Or is it only politically expedient? When you need them, you will let them come.
No. Rahulji has very categorically mentioned it earlier in the Jaipur convention.
Dr. Willie D'Souza also visited the Congress House, claiming that he is no more with the Trinamool Congress. Dr. Willie is backing Congress now.
Here to support the party. I am here to support secular forces. Why? To strengthen secular forces.
Meanwhile, Rajya Sabha MP blamed Kerkar for mining closure in the state. He has demanded an apology from the Chief Minister.
The first culprit is the Goa government, and Goa government should therefore apologize to the public and saying that yes, we have done wrong. Let us sit together and try to solve it. Special statusaचो आश्वासन दिल्ले म्हणटा पळय तें बरोबर न्ही. I tell you why I am telling you this. Special status was misinterpreted because special status was referring to package under special category. There is nothing called special status in the Constitution of India.
Mahesh Khadi and Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
17 candidates have filed papers to contest Lok Sabha poll on 12th April in Goa. Wednesday was the last day of filing nominations. Dattaram, Dessai and Swati Kerkar of AAP, Churchill Alemao on Trinamool, Shalom Sardinha as an independent with others filed their nominations on the last day. The picture as of date indicates that the fate of the National Party candidates will be decided by the independents and the rebels. Final list of candidates will be out on 29th March.
Candidates of major parties like Congress, BJP, NCP and AAP filed their nominations for Lok Sabha poll. In North Goa, total 7 candidates have filed their nominations. And in South Goa, 10 candidates. 3-time sitting MP in North Goa, Shripad Naik will contest Lok Sabha poll against former Minister of Congress, Ravi Naik, AAP leader Dattaram Dessai, CPI leader Suhas Naik, GDF frontrunner Dayanand Narvekar, Marathi Andolan leader Ranjit Singh Rane and independent candidate Muttu Muzawar. In South Goa, BJP candidate Narendra Sawekar will contest the Lok Sabha poll against Congress MLA and candidate Alex Reginald, AAP leader Swati Kerkar, CPI leader Raju Mangeshkar. Churchill Alemao will contest election on Trinamool Congress's ticket after resigning from the Congress party. Meanwhile, Savio Rodriguez will contest the poll on Goa Suraj party in South Goa. 2 independent candidates are also in fray, Balkrishna Sargaokar and Govind Gowde. Son of sitting MP in South Goa, Shalom Sardinha is also contesting from South Goa as independent candidate. Advocate Jawahar Dice will contest as a candidate for Goikaracho Otrez Asro.
Sardinha कोणाक सपोर्ट करतलो?
पळय सार्दीन कोणाक सपोर्ट करतलो ते हांव तुका आतां मागीर सांगूं जाय. हांवें तुका सदांच सांगलां सार्दीनान आमकां शिकयलां स्वत आहा ते उलय आनी सार्दीनान आमकां शिकयलां सदां स्वत आहा तेज मुखारचो. हांव स्वत म्हाका दिसता हांव स्वताचेर झगडटा आनी कोणाक कितें दिसता ताका सोडी.
एज अ फादर तुमकां सपोर्ट करता दिसता.
Wednesday was the last date of filling nominations for Lok Sabha poll. State Election Commission will scrutinize the forms and declare the final list of candidates on 29th March. Reporter Mayur Naik with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.